If you've left your hair for a long period of time, or you're just taking out the 1 month old or 2 months protective hairstyle, your hair is dry, your hair is brittle, and your hair is weak. And this is where most people lose months worth of hair growth. I believe you do not want to lose the hair you have suffered to grow over the months. If you are in this category, then do not ignore this, because this will ensure the hair remains on your head. When you take out your 1 month old protective style, your hair is in shock. It hasn't been combed out for 30 days. That shed hair, about 100 strands, is trapped at the roots. We rely heavily on shopboard products, which most times don't do enough. So today, I am going to show you the most powerful DIY hair masks that I have ever created, and I want you to try it and give me your feedback. This mask is a combination of 4 powerhouse for hair growth: avocado, rice, okra, and fenugreek. These are 4 powerful ingredients we need to create our powerhouse hair mask. Avocado is rich in biotin and fatty acid, which is the closest thing to our scalp natural sebum. It penetrates into the hair shaft to moisturize the hair from within. The second ingredient, which is okra, people sleep on it. Okra contains mucilage, and this mucilage is a natural silicone. It provides sleep that rivals any expensive product in the market. You need this because your hair is matted and tangled. Okra will allow your finger to glide through your hair without snapping or breaking. The third ingredient is fenugreek. If you're suffering from shedding, fenugreek is non-negotiable. It contains nicotinic acid and lecithin. Lecithin is a natural emollient that strengthens the hair follicle. When you take down your braids, you will see clumps of shedded hair. Fenugreek minimizes shedding immediately. And our last ingredient is rice, not rice water. The grain itself. When you blend it, it provides you with amino acid and other important compounds, which strengthens and repairs your hair from the inside. Since your hair has been hidden away for long, the hair becomes weak. Rice will give it its strength back. Believe me, it's not a lot. You might be thinking, why do I need to go to the market to buy all these ingredients when I can use my regular conditioner? Listen to me, if you fall under these 3 categories I'm going to mention right now, then regular conditioner is not enough. Category 1, the protective style prisoner. You just took down your braid, twist, cornrow, or even sew in that you have had for about 4 weeks or longer. Your hair is in a state of shock. It is dry, it is stiff, and there is build-up at the roots. At this point, you need a hard reset to get your coils popping back. The reason why most of you think your natural hair doesn't have a coil pattern is that your product is not doing enough. Category 2, the shedding victims. Those of you who have been complaining of excessive shedding, if you don't try this, I'll personally come to your house and beat you. If you are terrified of wash day because you lose a handful of hair every time, your hair is weak, it lacks protein structure. This mask is going to feed your hair with amino acid that is starving for. You need this mask to keep your hair on your scalp. Just watch the video, I am going to explain everything. Category 3, the stunted growth struggler. If you feel like your hair has not been growing or it has stayed in the same length for about 2 years or more, the truth is that it grows but it breaks at the end. That means you lack moisture and retention. Avocado in this recipe is going to seal your ends so you can retain the hair you have grown out. These 4 super ingredients ensure that your hair remains on your head. This is an intervention. You're welcome. Now let me show you how to make it. Let's start with the rice and the fenugreek. Because they are both dry ingredients, we need to soften them. You can easily just put this in a pot and boil it for a few minutes. But I had to soak it the following day so it will be soft before this process. I have gotten a few comments of people saying you talk too much. Well, I am just trying to explain everything in detail. For the sake of the impatient people, I am going to ensure that this video doesn't exceed 9-10 minutes. Wash and cut your okra into bits. There are 2 ways to preparing the okra. You can decide to blend it or you boil it, whichever works for you. Instead of blending the okra separately and the rice, I put everything together and blended it. Onto the most critical part of this video. Straining is a must. I cannot stress it enough. If you do not strain this mixture, you'll be picking out rice grain and fenugreek skin from your hair for about 3 weeks. I am using a cheesecloth. Feel free to use a wig cap and squeeze every drop out. You can go ahead and blend it twice if you think you can get more out of it. But how smooth the consistency is, that is what you'll be aiming at. It is now time to add the avocado. I didn't want to waste anything, that is why I decided to do it separately after straining out the rice. But while preparing yours, you can decide to blend everything together at once. Use a spoon to scoop out the avocado and throw away the skin. Ensure that you're using a very ripe avocado. Pour it into your blender and then go in with the other mixture that you just strained. Remember, it is not compulsory you do it this way. You can decide to put all your ingredients at once and blend it up. For the measurements, you're going to need half cup of rice, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, 1 ripe avocado, and maybe 4 or 5 fingers of okra. I put everything together, then I'll go ahead and blend this again. This is very easy to prepare. It is safe for anybody, no age limit. You can use this on your toddler and the result is instant. Now we have blended the avocado into the rest of the mixture. This might look very smooth, but believe me, you got to strain it a second time again to take out any leftover particles, because we don't want to sit down and be removing anything from our hair after washing off. You might want to ask, is this a protein treatment or a moisture treatment? It is balanced treatment. The avocado is pure moisture. The rice is protein, it's a strengthening protein. We are using whole ingredients, so it is very hard to get protein overload from this recipe. It is gentle enough for any kind of hair. It is gentle to reset your hair and strong enough to repair your damaged hair, so do not be afraid. Everything we use, as you can see, is 100% natural, so you definitely can't go wrong with this. Pour the mixture back into your strainer and strain it again. Now I'm going to show you guys what came out, what would have stuck into your hair if you didn't strain it a second time. If you do it exactly the way I instructed, be rest assured you will not have any residue in your hair. And this is our final result. You can go ahead and add in any oil of your choice. If you want this mixture to be thicker, you can reduce the quantity of water you add in while blending your rice. But this consistency is just perfect, not too thick and not too watery. This will penetrate into your hair shaft very quick. This is one of those marks that works best when you don't store it. You have to use it immediately or the day you made it. Now that we are done with the production, let me tell you and also show you how to properly use this. To apply this goodness, you have to start off on a washed hair. Ensure your hair is damp before application. Never apply on a dry. One trick I learned that helps these marks penetrate into your hair shaft easily is wash your hair with lukewarm water. If your hair is already washed, you can rinse it with lukewarm water. This will open up the hair cuticles slightly so the mask can penetrate deep into your hair. Then section your hair into 4 parts to keep it manageable, especially if your hair is thick and long. But if your hair is still in the TWA stage, you can just go ahead and apply it without sectioning. Take a generous scoop and slap it into your hair. Do not be stingy. This is what will bring your hair back to life, starting from the root to tip. Oh my god, you guys, as soon as this mixture touches your hair, the okra kicks in. Your hair instantly softens up. One thing about this treatment is that even after rinsing it off, your hair will still be soft. Unlike some treatments that after rinsing it out, your hair instantly goes back to its former state. This one will keep your hair very soft. You notice how my fingers are sliding through my hair? This is exactly what you need. This is exactly what this mask will do for you. It reduces post-bread shedding significantly. It energizes your hair follicle and keep your hair on your head. Instead of losing handful of hair when you finally comb through after taking down your protective style, the nicotinic acid and the lecithin present in fenugreek can soothe the scalp, grip the hair follicle, and drastically minimizing hair fall. It also stimulates blood flow to help regrow thinning edges. The mucilage, that is the slime from the okra, will coat every strand of hair, forcing the roughed up cuticles to lay perfectly flat. It provides an unbelievable amount of sleep. This means matted roots and stubborn tangles will literally slide apart under your finger without needing to rip your hair apart with a comb, saving your hair from mechanical breakage. Avocado, on the other hand, is an excellent humectant that penetrates into the hair shaft rather than just sitting on it. It cures extreme dry, thirsty, and stiff hair. It makes the hair extremely soft and also seals the oldest part of the hair, which is the tip, ensuring maximum length retention. Rice in the mixture repairs your damaged hair. It gives your hair this elasticity and bounce, making it look healthier. It also strengthens your hair from the roots. In a nutshell, this mask takes hair that is stiff, matted, breaking, shedding, and transform it into a detangled, fortified, deep hydrated, and anchored firmly to the scalp. So if you just took down your protective style or you have your hair out for a long time, you should definitely try out this mask. I promise you'll be wowed. This mask will be one of your favorites. If you have watched to this point but you haven't subscribed, it doesn't take you anything. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop it. Like and also share this video to your loved ones who you think might need help with their hair. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.